This video I'm gonna show you how to simply and quickly clean your clutch. All you gotta do, grab a 90mm and make sure you gotta tighten it. That's how you take the bolt out. This long bolt comes out and you gotta turn it right to loosen up the bolt, and your clutch comes out and you gotta clean it good. Make sure that the 4 of the bearings over there are spinning, and besides that, you have to make sure that these little plastics, like I said before, this is really important. This is crucial. This is cause our Canam not to want to go in the gear because they're all dirty. You got to clean up those pockets as well. They're full of dirt. Now to clean them up, make sure all the bearings are spinning. Like I said before, right here, they got to spin freely. But biggest thing is those things, because it goes between here. If this doesn't want to move freely, right here, I'll show you in a second. Let me see that. Then this has got to go freely, move up and down, like this. If it doesn't go up and down, because some of those little pins were sticking out because there was dirt stuck in here. So it was all uneven. Clean all this stuff. Right there, look at this thing. All this dirt is causing not to move it, right here. Look at all this stuff. Clean all this stuff off and try to lubricate the bearings too. That was the issue. That's why the clutch wasn't releasing. And like I said, this takes about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes to clean it nicely. And it'll fix the issue of the clutch getting stuck. Look at this, easy fix. Awesome. So, don't forget to take out the clutch and clean it. Especially when you go mudding or off-roading or something, this gets mud and everything. And that's how you scrap your belt. It's some kind of a plastics or some kind of a material, but all of them had a little bit of dirt right here, if you can see. And that was causing basically, so this wasn't working right here. So every time you release the throttle, instead of, the clutch releasing, it was getting stuck in one point. So the belt was still turning, and it was really hard to put it in gear because the belt was still spinning. I'm gonna show it to you as soon as we start this thing up so you can see. This is awesome, such a quick fix, and we thought the clutch was bad. Awesome, yay. It's like a little spacers, they gotta go flush. You see how flush they are? We have so much dirt that they were sticking up probably like 2-3 millimeters out, and this wasn't moving up and down. So you gotta put them back in. Where's the other one? Like right here. Here you go. They're all the same. Look, see how flush they gotta go in? Nice and flush, look. Perfect. That's how they gotta go in. And they were sticking out a little bit because there was so much dirt in between. Only go where the bearing is at. We have a 400, so it only has 4 of those. But I'm pretty sure they use the same clutch on the 600 or 800, and then they probably put an extra springs in here. Back in, make sure that the bearings are where they go. This only goes one way. I mean, it goes many ways, but you gotta make sure to put it. Oh, see, look how smooth it goes. Show it. There you go. And ours was getting stuck. It was hard to remove this. All right, let's put this back. Yay! Quad's gonna be fixed 15 minutes later. Such an easy fix. Your spring in there. There you go. Push it in, and then now we're gonna obviously tighten it left, the opposite way. All right, and this will fix the problem. Check this out. Before, this wasn't releasing properly, so it was turning. Now it works good. You have gas. It has to go back. This has to stop. This has to stop. Check this out, look. That's how it's supposed to be. You have gas.